Hello and welcome to Digital Classroom on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. I'm Mrs. Paul and today's lecture is for the students of class 12. Children, today I'll take up a lesson from poetry, A Lament by P.B. Shelley. So let us first study about the poet. P.B. Shelley. The full name of P.B. Shelley is Percy Bysshe Shelley. P.B. Shelley was born in the year 1792 in England, Horsham. He studied in Eton and Oxford. He was the son of a wealthy English baronet. He passed a melancholy life. His poems are charged with high soaring imagination. In his poems, we find an unsurpassable lyrical quality, Greek philosophy, and love of nature. Let us see about the poem. The title of the poem is A Lament. So first of all, let me tell you the meaning of the word lament. Though the meaning is in itself known that lament means to be very sad or a very melancholy mood or very feeling of dejection, but technically we can describe a lament as a song or a poem or other expression of sadness for somebody who has died or for something that has ended. So what has this to do with the poem? Now, when we read the poem, children, here, after having read the poem and after having understood the poem, you will realize, you will come to know that this poem has an autobiographical tint in it, and the poet has written whatever feelings of dejection he had at that time. They were all written for the poet himself. So let us see about the poem. The Lament, which was written in the year 1821, shows that Shelley, though only 28 at that time, realized that he would not live long. His youth had deserted him and he was now incapable of enjoying the pleasures offered by life and nature. The awareness of old age, having come before its time, leads to a cry of despair. But the music of the poem represents the triumph of Shelley's lyrical powers. Let us see further. The poem is a short musical expression of despair and dejection of the poet. Though the poem is very short, children, but the meaning will not be very short, because when you have to write down the detailed explanations and the central idea, you have to understand the depth of the poem. So let us see. The joy of the world, life and time has deserted the poet forever. And whatever the poem is saying, the poem is a short musical expression. Let me repeat it once again. The poem is a short musical expression of despair and dejection of the poet himself, because that is what he was feeling for about his life. The joy of the world, time and life has deserted the poet forever. He feels only grief. He will never feel any joy in this world, in this life, or in this time. So this is just a very general introduction of the poem to you all. I will meet with you all in my next session. Up till then, children, please take care and keep studying at home. I will meet you all in my next video. Up till then, goodbye, children.